Hello friends, so I have ordered these Manogyam dotted oval raining planter containers. These are 5 in number, multicolor. The cost was 1100 rupees. Galvanized from metal, it is specially made up of powder coated paint for rust resistance. Each planter having a detachable hook, durable and lightweight. Detachable hook for hanging the planters can fit a railing up to 5 centimeters in diameter. Hanging planter can hold plants and soil weight up to 4 kgs. Contains 5 detachable hooks, 10 nuts and screws for assembly. Yep. So I have already unboxed it, and yep, the total number of stuff was exactly the same. Now I'll just show you how these look after I have assembled those. So this is how these are looking. Beautiful. The material is good, looks durable. It says it can hold up to 4 kgs of stuff, which yeah, I think it will hold. Yep. So you can also check it out in Amazon, and if you like it you can purchase it. I'll add the link in the description. Thank you. Bye bye.